Hi, welcome to session. Myself Dr.A.jagadhambal, Assistant Professor, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College, Coimbatore. Today we discuss about the import substitution. In that topic, we discussed about the import substitutions refers to the replacement of one material by another for performing the same function. It is a one material performing for the same function is called as substitution. Import substitution, it is a refers to the, it is a sources of development and at the time it is a main materials valuable of the foreign exchange. It is the main purpose is the reduce the cost of production and encourage the develop and local industry trade. That is, the substitution is refers to the one material by another for performing the same function. At the same time, import substitution is the sources of development. It is the materials indigenously valuable of foreign exchange. It is the main function is the reduce the cost of production. Import substitution as a national policy, it is a self-reliance. It is a long way in achieving favorable balance of the payment. Government department help the achieving the objectives. In that, import substitution due to the following reasons. What are all the reasons are import substitutions means? It is the following reasons. That is the what are all the reasons mean? First one is technical experts of the organization unwilling to take the risk of indigenous items. That is the technical experts of the organization. They are not willing to take risk. Other than one of the reasons. Second one is lack of indigenous production facilities. Second reason is the lack of indigenous productions. Then third one is quantity required for certain items are uneconomical for manufacture due to low demand. That is one of the reason. Next one is high cost of production, higher cost of the productions. Then next one is foreign collaboration discouraging the indigenous items. These are all the reasons for import substitutions. Okay, next we discussed about the what are the problems of import substitution. There are many reasons for the import substitution. These are all the reason for import substitution. These points are included in, but there are many problems included in the import substitution. In the current scenario, there are many problems faced by the import substitution. First one is it is the tight specification and standards are set by the authority without considering the limitations of the country, because they are not the specified standard of the substitutions, though it is the one of the problem of our limitations of the country. Second one is the specification and standards set by the authorities are usually borrowed from the foreign countries. It is most of the cases are not conformity of the Indian conditions, because they are faced the many problems based on that they are not forming the Indian conditions of the particular product. So that is the main one of the problems. Second one is Indian machinery and tools and equipment manufacturers are unable to offer performance guarantee and at the time it is the assure very high quality. That is the one of the expectation under this the particular import items. Then next one is high image of foreign brand names also creates difficulties in import substitution, because it is the everyone they think that is the foreign product means it is a high quality product, it is a high image of the foreign product. So that is a names are already creates. So that is the most important difficulties in import substitution. Then say next one is if foreign collaborates because of their nature and commercial compulsion will seldom like to see the development of indigenous item, which this viewpoint the license and all these things they are involved. their viewpoint, license and the subsidies depend upon their raw materials, components, spares, technicals and know-how, etc. First thing is, it is the import substitution. Everyone they think or they are create high image of the foreign brand names. Also it is a difficulties in import substitutions. So it is based on that we are collaborators and natural and commercial compulsions development of the particular items. They are consider about the what are the problems, or we are consider about the particular viewpoint means license of the particular one, subsidies dependent. For example, some 10%, 5%, 2%, 1%, they are given the government of the subsidies. Based upon their what are the things means, raw materials based they are giving the subsidies, components based they are giving the subsidies, spares based subsidies, technical and etc. that is based on the subsidies. These are all the import substitutions. Thank you. Next we see the next session.